we're taking our family on a field trip to Hurry Hill Maple Farm in Edinburo, Pennsylvania to learn the amazing process of making maple syrup. So make sure to stick around and watch. So we just finished our Pennsylvania State unit in our homeschool, and I thought this would be the perfect culminating activity for our kids and our family to enjoy, since maple syrup is something that we produce here in Northwest Pennsylvania, and it is the season for it. After quickly checking out the store, we decided to go do the thing that we were really thrilled about, and that was going on the little wagon ride that would take us into the woods where the maple syrups were all tapped and would show us how the maple syrup is processed. We're so excited about going on the wagon that we don't care how long we had to wait. Right, Mima? It's worth the wait. Excited? Are you ready to go in? Okay, here we go. So much fun! Here, sit between Mima and me. And here are the guys.
Oh, that would be good.
Look how happy you look. How are you feeling, Noah? You're scared? No. It doesn't go very fast. Is it everything you thought it was going to be? Yeah. Yeah? Are you staying warm enough, babe? No.
Very cold.
We were the only one that didn't wear boots today. Me? After this fun little ride into the woods, the tractor arrived at our destination and we had to walk the rest of the path because it was very, very slushy and muddy. So we walked through, we enjoyed the wonderful scenery. The trees with the snow on top of them were just absolutely gorgeous. This way.
Mommy, look at the nest over there.
Yeah! It's a cool nest. We took our sweet old time to make it to the sugar shack just because we were enjoying our walk. There was this beautiful creek that went along and there were these little signs that I guess is for like a guided tour type of thing that you can go through. How are you liking this cold walk?
It's nice.
It's chilly, but it's beautiful.
It is.
Look at this beautiful stuff. This is the highlight of this tasting tour that we have not tasted anything yet.
You can
But
smell the burning wood.
we're going over there to the little sugar shack and we're gonna see how the maple syrup is made.
That's all the fun over here. Like, how much do you want?
A little bit.
You want more than that? Like half full? Okay, careful, it's hot, right?
Yummy.
You good?
Finally, the moment we were all eager about was going into the sugar shack and learning how is it that the maple syrup is made. And the lady that was doing the presentation was just so hilarious. We learned so much from her, got a really close-up look at the machine, at the fire stove, and at all the different processes of the maple syrup. And we got to observe it. Sean got to examine it all really up close and got so inspired by this that we actually ended up making our very own maple syrup. This right here was where the idea was all born, to make our own maple syrup. After we were done, we also had the opportunity to sample maple sap before it becomes maple syrup. It was actually pretty interesting. What does the sap taste like?
Like water. It's like sugar water. Sugar, like a mellow water. Yeah.
Water?
Sugary, yeah.
Try this.
Yeah.
Tastes like water.
Yeah, right?
Yeah, like slimy water,
Yeah.
you know?
It's not bad water.
No. It doesn't taste sweet.
Sweet. It's a little sweet.
Really?
Yeah, so someone put like a tablespoon of sugar in there.
I don't taste yours must taste different than mine. Mine just tastes like water.
Yeah, because I'm getting like, well, there was one container with water and one container with sap. Yeah, I'm like, what?
He said it so seriously. I was like, well, I didn't see the other container.
One they said you can rinse your hands in it.
Oh, stop it. That's disgusting. Let's take a peek.
Oh, it smells like over here.
Oh, yeah. What are you guys doing? Syrup? Over the campfire?
This is how the colonists made syrup back when the sugar house wasn't here.
Oh.
This is the original way that they did it.
Ah.
So how long will it take? Yeah, what kind of maple trees are these? Are these all sugar maples?
Sugar maples, yeah.
You don't do any of right?
There's probably some reds around here because I have a place down the road and mine are all reds. Difference is sugar maples, about 3% sugar coming out.
Mimi has to go to the restroom. And what do they have here? An outhouse. They don't have a bathroom, they have an outhouse. So we get the full wilderness experience. That's our bathroom, Mimi, right there. I haven't been in one of these in a really long time. Last time I was in one of this, I was like a kid. What does it look like? Wow. Okay. Hold on. We're hanging our gloves and our twig. We retrieved our gloves from the twigs. So Mimi, what did you think about that bathroom experience?
Weird.
It was weird. A little cold?
No.
No? It wasn't a little breezy? Well, the good thing is that it's winter time, so it doesn't smell funny. After our educational and hands-on experience, we decided to head on back. And instead of waiting for the tractor, we decided to walk it, which was not that bad. The only one that was tired was our little May, and she ended up getting a nice piggyback ride from her dad and her uncle. It's a lot quicker to just walk there. But we didn't know any better.
Well, no, this is better.
Yeah.
The ride was better.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, your back didn't hurt from carrying May.
You have children. Look at my brother.
Yeah, that's true. So if you don't have young children, just walk it. If you have young children, take the wagon. But you're going to be warmer.
I think riding the wagon.
Well, the wagon took you, I mean, you were out there for a while.
What would you recommend?
What would you recommend to our viewers?
I mean, for me, this is actually better.
Yeah?
But it's not like I don't do this every day though.
Cotton candy. You got maple popcorn. Some candies. Oh, peanuts. That actually looks good.
We'll have popcorn.
Is that what you're going to want to buy? Popcorn? It's sweet. It's sweet popcorn.
I think I'll just go for this.
You're just going for the syrup? They have pure maple mustard. That's weird. Maple barbecue sauce. Maple sugar. Pancake mix. Multiple ribbons. They got socks. A maple candle. And, of course, the maple syrup. You want to do the 2 quarts?
Yeah, let's do the 2 quarts because you only buy it once a year.
If you buy 2 of these, you're spending $40. You can get 2 of these and 1 of those for $33. So you save $7.
Aged bourbon maple syrup
Oh,
and a regular maple syrup.
going for the popcorn. Dad is going for the maple syrup.
Mommy?
I'm going for the cotton candy. I'll get to share it. What is Noah going for?
I want some syrup.
Syrup? After shopping for all of our mapley goods, we went through the rest of the store, which is also a museum, saw some of the stuff that they had there, and enjoyed some Smith's maple hot dogs. Think of the hot dogs.
Mapley.
Mapley. Yeah? How would you guys describe the taste?
Yummy.
Yummy? Is it sweet?
A little bit sweet. I think it's a little sweet.
How was the experience?
Really great experience. I like the wagon
You like the wagon? The wagon was
with the tractor.
with the tractor. That was a fun part. What did you think of the experience?
I like the big trees.
You liked the big tree?
And the hot dog was epic.
Was it really?
No.
Oh,
It's a regular
that
hot dog.
amazing.
It's a regular hot dog.
How about you, Mima? What do you think?
I enjoyed everything and history of maple syrup making.
In the little sugar shack.
Yes.
Noah? What do you think?
I like the hot dogs because they're yummy. The mustard was syrup. I mean maple syrup.
That was cool.
The horseradish you said over there.
I like the popcorn.
Yeah, I like the popcorn too. This was honestly an awesome field trip for our end of our state unit. We got to learn so much. We got to spend some really nice time with our family and truly enjoyed ourselves. And now is on to making our very own maple syrup. Thank you guys so much for watching, and please remember to like and subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye.